legendary white soup. First, you need to cut one potato into cubes. You can make larger or smaller cubes as you like. Then it is necessary to cut 2 carrots. Of course, they should be cleaned and washed beforehand. Also, cut the carrot into cubes as you like. After the carrots, cut the chicken breast into cubes as well. About 500 grams will be enough for this recipe. And at the end, cut 1 onion into small cubes, then proceed to cooking. Don't forget to subscribe. Add a little oil. When it heats up, add the onion and fry until soft. Then add the carrot and also fry until soft. We stew both for about 5 minutes. Then add the chopped chicken breast and simmer until it softens or change color. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of flour, and mix well to combine the flour with the chicken. Then, we pour 750 milliliters of water. Mix and add chopped potatoes. Then, we add 2 tablespoons of dry spices, 1 teaspoon of pepper. Mix and add another 750 milliliters of water. Then reduce the heat. Add 2 bay leaves, cover, and cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove from heat and add 1 egg to 200 grams of sour cream. Mix well, and then add 2 ladles of soup. Mix everything again so that lumps appear. Have you ever made something like this? If you haven't, try this recipe and you will be delighted. Then, pour the obtained mixture into the soup. Stir and serve while it is warm. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next Saturday. Recipe is on the description.